retake. There we go. It's a brand new camera. I just bought it on Saturday. I'm testing. It's in HD, right?
You race that.
Oh, I did. Oh, I will. I'll race it. This is video number 2 now. Okay. Nah. No. Let's try that one over there, Brian Dawes. This log weighs more than that thing. She's gonna park here. I think she's gonna come in here.
I don't think that's gonna lift it.
Nah, I don't think so.
You can't get onto it. That's
so the front of it opens up as well, right? So
yeah. You can't get onto it.
No, it's too big.
Juice bucket that might help.
I don't know. Those are, I didn't realize they were that big, these rounds. Oh yeah. Amazed there's no tree huggers down here chained to it. I saw the waterworks guys here a couple weeks ago. I was talking to them because that roots had cracked all the waterworks, the meter box, eh?
Willow, I don't think that's gonna kill it.
Poplar. Cottonwood. They're weeds, man. Oh, look at this. I don't know. I don't think so.